Arjun Butterfly Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to explain to algebraic expressions. Before this algebraic expression, first what is constant? The symbol which have fixed value is called as constant. For example, 1, 2, 5, minus 10, 9/7. These all are constants. Now here the all numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, these all are called constants only. Okay. Next one is variables. Variables. Where the symbol which have the various numerical value is called as variables. Variables is also called as literal. Is also called as literal. Variables are represented in lowercase letters. That is, for example, A, B, C, and so on, X, Y, Z. Z. Okay. Variables are represented in lowercase letters. That is A, B, C, and X, Y, Z. One more example. If you take one rectangle, the length of the rectangle is L, the breadth of the rectangle is B, the area of the rectangle is L into B. L into B. Here L into B is a variables. Okay. Next one is term. What is term? Okay. Now the constants are variables. Product of constants and variable by using operators, multiplications and divisions is also called as a term. Every constant is also term. Every variable also term. The combination of these constants and variables by using operators, multiplications and divisions, this is also called as term. For example, if you take one constant 5, okay, next take one variable B, okay, B, by using these two, combining by product of these two. Product means nothing but by operator multiplication. Okay, 5 into B is 5B. This 5B is a one term. Okay, for example, 5B, 10Z, next minus P by 5. These all are terms only. Okay. Now here the combination of constants and variable by using operators, multiplications and division, then it is called also term. One more example. For example, if you take one square, each side of the square is A units. Okay. Now the perimeter of the square. Now perimeter represented as P. P is perimeter means sum of all sides. Now A plus A plus A plus A, that is equal to 4A. 4A means 4 into A. Now it is 4A is one term. Here 4 is a one constant and A is a variable. Okay. Next, the main definition of algebraic expression. The combination of constants and variables are connected by the fundamental operators addition, subtraction, multiplications and division is called as an algebraic expression. Okay, already you know about constants. Constants means a symbol which have fixed value is called as a constant. That means all numerical values. Next, variables. Variables means in English alphabet letters, lowercase letters, A to Z. These all are called variables. Is connected by the four arithmetical operators: addition, subtraction, multiplications, and division. By using these four arithmetical operators, connected by these constants and variable, then it is called as an algebraic expression. For example, A plus 5, N minus 10, 3Z plus 5, X by 2 minus 7. Okay, observe these all are algebraic expression. First expression A plus 5. A is a variable and 5 is a constant. And L is a variable and 10 is a constant. Now in this expression, in this A is one term and 5 is also one term. These two terms combined in the operator is plus. Now L is again one term and 10 is also one term. These two terms combined in the operator is minus. Now 3z. 3z means three types of z, that is multiplication. E5 is a constant. In these two terms by using operator is plus. X divides to minus 7. Here x by 2 is one term and the 7 is also one term. These two terms combining the operator is minus. Okay. Now these all are examples of algebraic expressions. One more example. Joy and Joshua brothers. Joshua brothers. Their father gives them pocket money. Josh gets 7 rupees less than Joe. Okay, now see this example. Joy and Joshua brothers, their father gives them pocket money. Josh gets 7 rupees less than Joy. In this question, Joy have how much money? We don't know how much money. That's why in this unknown quantities we take any variable. That's why let Joy money is equal to x. Josh money is Josh money how much? Josh gets 7 rupees less than the Joy. Okay. Now Josh have total Joy money is x. Okay. Less than means minus 7. This x minus 7 is an algebraic expression. Here x is a variable and 7 is a constant. In these two terms is combined in the operator is minus. That's why this x minus 7 is an algebraic expression. Okay, this is one of the example of algebraic expression. Next, types of algebraic expression. First one is monomial. An expression containing only one term is called monomial. Only one term. One term is called as a monomial. For example, 2a, 5z, next r by 5 and 10xyz. So these all are called monomials. Only one term. Next one is binomial. An expression containing two terms is called as binomial. Two terms is called as a binomial. For example, a plus b, l minus 5. Okay, here a is one term and b is also one term. Here l is one term and 5 is also one constant term. Okay, here an expression containing two terms is called as a binomial. Next one is a trinomial. An expression containing three terms is called as a trinomial. For example, a plus b plus c, l plus m minus 5. Three terms is called as a trinomial. Next one is a polynomial. An expression containing more than three terms is called as a polynomial. More than three terms. More than three terms is called as a polynomial. For example, 7x square plus 3x minus 10y plus 4. Okay, more than three terms is called as a polynomial. Okay, this is the types of algebraic expression. One is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Okay, now here mono means only one, bi means two, tri means three. Okay, poly means many. Okay, nomial means terms. Okay, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Mono means only one term is called as a monomial. Binomial means an expression containing two terms is called as a binomial. Trinomial means an expression containing three terms is called as a trinomial. Polynomial means poly means many, nomial means terms. That's mean many more than three terms is called as a polynomial. Next one is factors. Factors. In a product, each of the numerical and variables is called factors of the product. For example, 6x square minus 7xy. This is one algebraic expression. 6x square is one term, minus 7xy is one term. Here x is the variable, here xy is the variables, and here 6 is the constant, here 7 also constant. Okay. Now here 6x square minus 7xy. These two are terms. Okay. Now here in this term, here 6 is here, 6 is here, this 6 is constant and x is a variable. Okay. In this each one is called as a factors. Factors of the products. Now 6 x square written as x into x. Okay. Now here also minus 7 x and y. This 6 x is a factors. Okay. Now here minus 7 x y is also factors. Now here the numerical factor. That here is 6 and minus 7 is a constant. This constant is called as a numerical factors. Numerical factors. That is 6 comma minus 7 is a numerical factors. Now x comma x and here x comma y is a variables. This variables is called as a literal factors. Literal factors. Here x comma x and y is a literal factors. This is factors. Coefficient. What is coefficient? In a product, two or more factors, each one of them is a coefficient of product of other two factors. Okay. For example, 9xy. 9xy. Here 9 is a numerical coefficient. Nine is a numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient is 9. Next, xy is a literal coefficient. Literal coefficient is xy. Okay. Next, coefficient of x is, okay. Now coefficient of x is product of remaining two factors. Product of remaining two factors is 9y. Next, coefficient of y is product of remaining two factors. That is 9x. Okay. Next, coefficient of xy. Coefficient of xy is 9 only. Is 9. Okay. Next, one more important. In the new, for example, x square plus 5. Okay. The coefficient of x square is, here the coefficient of x square is not mentioned. Here it is not, anything is not there, means it is always 1 only. That's why here plus 1 or minus 1, it is not mentioned. Okay. That is always here nothing is there, means it is coefficient is always 1 only. Like terms. like terms. A terms which containing same variable is called as a like terms. For example, 6x, 10x, 9x, 100x. Okay. Observe here, the variables are same and the constants are different. Okay, this is called as a like terms. What is unlike terms? What is unlike terms? A terms which containing different variable is called as a unlike terms. Variables are different. Okay, 6x, 7a, 14c, 9b. Okay, here variables are different, then it is called as a unlike terms. Next one is degree. Degree. How to find out the degree of monomial? For example, take one example, 2x square y cube z power 4. Okay, now this is one monomial. This is total one term. Okay, here 2 is a constant, variables x, y, z is a variables. Now here x power 2. This 2 is called as a power or exponents. Now here x power 2, y power 3, z power 4. Okay, how to find out the degree of the monomial? Sum of the all power of its variables. Sum of all powers. Sum of all powers. Okay. Now add the sum means addition. Add the all powers. Here x power is what? 2 plus y power 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 is the degree of this monomial. Okay. Next one. How to find out the degree of algebraic expression? One more example. 7x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus x minus 10. Okay, now it is one algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression, degree means highest power of the term. Okay, here how many terms is there? 7x power 4 is one term, 2x cube is one term, 3x square is one term, x is one term, and 10 is also constant term. Okay, total is all are terms. Take each term. What is the highest power of the highest power? Okay, in this term, the highest power is 4. In this term, highest power is 3. In this term, power is 2. In this power is 1. Now here constant power is always 0. Why this constant power is always 0? Now 10, I will write 10 into 1. Okay, 1 is nothing but in the exponent's powers, it is written as 10 into 1, it is written as x power 0. Already you know the exponent's power, any power 0 is 1. That's why in the place of 1, I will write x power 0. X power 0 means it is a constant, the power is 0. That's why the constant power is always 0. That's why the constant degree is always 0 only. Okay, now here observe here 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0 is the powers. In these given terms, what is the highest power? Highest power is 4. That's why the 4 is the degree of this expression. Next, additions of algebraic expression. Okay, next additions of algebraic expressions is possible only like terms only. Okay, why? Because I have one marker. Okay, now we add one more marker. Add with one more marker means I have two markers. Okay, if it is two markers, if you add duster means it is not possible to add duster. Why? Because these two are similar. That's why it is easy to add. That's why it is like terms. Okay, if you add this duster means it is unlike terms. That's why it is not possible to the add. Like this, same examples, if you take like terms only, add or subtractions is possible in addition and subtractions. Okay. Now, first, for example, add 5x square plus 4x plus 3, 2x square plus 3x plus 5. expressions. Okay. In addition, sir, there are two methods is there. One is horizontal method. One more is a vertical method. Okay. First, I will tell horizontal method. Okay. Now it is the given expression is 5x square plus 4x plus 3. Add means place 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Okay. Now first write down the given two expressions. Write down add means place. Add these two given expressions. Okay. Next one. Write a group of like terms. Okay. Here 5x square is there. Here also 2x square is there. These two terms is like terms. Write down the group of like terms. 5x square plus 2x square plus next 4x and 3x is a like terms. Now 4x and 3x. Next constant 3 plus 5. Okay. Now this is the group of terms, like terms. Okay. Next one is 5 plus 2, 7 x square plus 4 plus 3, 7x plus 5 plus 3, 8. 8. This is the sum of these two algebraic expressions. Now this is a horizontal method. Same we have to do, this is vertical method also. Okay, first expression is 5x square plus 4x plus 3. Write down the next expression 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Now this is the vertical method. Okay, add. In addition, you have to right to left. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4 plus 3, 7x plus 5 plus 2, 7x square. Now this is a horizontal method, this is a vertical method. Now it is answers are same only. Okay. Now this is the additions of algebraic expression. Next one is next I will explain about the subtractions. How to subtract the algebraic expressions. For example, subtract 6l square plus 7m square minus 10lm from 10l square plus 14m square plus 15lm. Okay. Now these two expressions how to subtract. First you do horizontal method. Okay. Now this total first expression, this is the second expression. Subtractions is always subtract to second expression to subtract to first expression. Now first and second expression is 10l square plus 14m square plus 15lm. Subtract means minus. Now 6l square plus 7m square minus 10lm. Okay, in the subtractions, the first expression you have to keep in brackets. Okay, why? Because in this brackets before minus is there. This sign is applicable with this total expressions, each term. That's why multiply with minus in each term. Okay, now minus into 6l square, minus into 7m square, minus into 10lm square, multiply in each term with minus. That's why first you have to remove the brackets. 10l square plus 14m square plus 15lm. Okay, first multiply minus, this bracket is nothing but of minus into plus minus 6l square minus into plus minus 7m square minus into minus plus 10lm. Okay, next you group the all like terms. Here 10l square is there, here 6l square is there. 10l square minus 6l square, this is one group. Next 14m square minus 7m square. Next this is one group. Next plus 15lm plus 10lm, this is one group. Okay, now here 10 minus 6 4l square plus 14 minus 7 7m square plus 15 plus 10 25 L. This is the required answer.